So today, as part of the figure of 8 series, we're going to combine our Taqsim, aka Inward Maya, and the sideways 8 that I taught you previously in the figure 8 series. So if it's your first time you've somehow come across this video somewhere else, I advise you go to my page, go through the videos, and then come back to this one, because the movements that I'm doing now are going to be broken down separately. This one, we're going to put it together. So as usual, please warm up first, and then come back and see me. I have so many videos to choose from, there is no excuse, go warm up first. Okay, tummy in, chest lifted, shoulders back and down. Let's actually do the Inward Maya first. So, you can raise the heels, or you can keep the heels flat on the floor, okay? So, we are going to start with taking the hips, snaking them as much as you can. Of course, you're warm first, yes? Aren't you? Of course you are. Okay, so bring the arms out to the side. You can keep them still, or you can move them slightly if you wish. Don't worry your mind, just really snake those hips as much as you can. 4, 3, 2, and now let's revisit our sideways 8. Okay, we come back a little bit for this one. Okay, so posture, classical position, tummy in, and then here's your 8. 1, 2, up, come through, up, come through, and come through, up, come through. And if you want to, you can get rid of one hand. Through, 1, 2, 3, 4. How much power, how much muscle power, belly dancing, how much muscle power can you use? For 4, 3, smile, 2. 1. Okay, so the other side. So, here we go. Get yourself set up, classical position. And then, through and through. So now it's here. To be honest, you can stop this movement in any position. Yeah, but for the purposes of us being on the same page, let's start forward. Go forward, and back. Forward, and back. So remember, I'm in London. Come and take my classes with me in person. I will look after you. Otherwise, I have online classes that you can take from anywhere in the world. And all the classes run as courses, so you learn from one week to the next, from week 1 to week 12 with us, and progress through the levels with us. Okay, so let's put it together. We're going to do 4 and 4. Let's start on the, let me think about this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we're going to start on the back hip, okay? So Inward Maya, aka Taqsim, on your back hip, and then you do sideways figure of 8 on your front hip. 5, 6, 7, and it's left hip, right, or my left, right, and you're going to drop forward. So one of the tricks for belly dance, for the fluidity of the movements, is how do you transition from one to the other. I'll try to face a few different angles for you, so you can see what I'm doing, and then I'm going through. So sometimes you may need to do more or less of a movement to sink and flow into the next one without stopping. So see how you feel with that. 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Let me do that again. So I'm just going to give you the best angle possible. On the left. 1 with the back hip. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try the other side. Okay, so you might find you need to do, on the 4th one for example, you might need to do a little bit extra to flow into the next movement, or a little bit less. Basically, you don't want to get stuck, okay? Otherwise you're not flowing, so you need to try to find out how and where you can shift to flow. Alright, so we're going to start on the back hip. And back hip, front hip. Back hip, front hip, and front, back, front, back, and back hip. back hip, front, back, front. Let's do one more. Back hip, front hip, back hip, front hip, front, back, front, back. So that was a combination of what I call the sideways 8 mixed in with the Taqsim or the inward Maya. So check out the videos. I got loads more on my channel. Check them out. And if you want to learn properly and thoroughly, come to my classes or take my online classes, because they're different to the YouTube videos. They are proper classes with real people, real questions, and real breakdowns of everything. And you progress through the weeks, so come see me. Anyway, take care, and I will see you soon.